Good morning. I own a sawmill, Logs to Lumber Inc. And I have this thing where every time I leave work, I go to town and I'll stop at the grocery store or I'll do whatever. And I always get told that I smell amazing. So I'm going to show you how you can smell as amazing as I do without having to own a sawmill. It's fucking, where'd it go? There it is. We'll start out. You get an old Windex bottle or fucking something like that. Pinch it in there. Don't worry about cleaning the sawdust out of the funnel. You actually have to add a little bit of sawdust to this. You need a little bit of diesel. Kind of the base for a good chunk of this. A little bit of rainwater from the bucket. Just a touch of mixed gas. It goes a long ways in this recipe. So you want just like a splash. It's pretty beautiful. Then you need like a handful of sawdust, which is pretty easy to come by. Yeah, sprinkle it in there a little bit. You don't need much of that either. It also goes a long ways. Put this fucking thing on. That's about it. You can choose your sawdust. If you want it to smell like Christmas time, you use balsam. If you want that West Coast smell, you can use red cedar. If you want to smell a little bit like cat piss, you could use fucking... Oh, what is that one? It might be balsam too. Anyways, it's a mix. You can fuck with it. And shake it up. Oh yeah, there it is. Now watch. I think this is how they do it. And you walk through it, right? Fuck. Doesn't get much better than that. And it doubles as a... Oh, it's not even that flammable. Oh, there it goes. Something to get a fire started. So yeah, this is fucking, this is cologne. Sawmill made. So if you're a hipster, it might fucking work for you. Okay, have a good day, everybody.